here the singular. Ili unwe. We never say ili bedi, but we always say tse. We always say tse. Tse bedi, tse taro, tse nne, tse hlano. What else do we have to fix? The order is important. This part here has to go all the way here so that it reads ili, ili, mui. And this bubble has to travel all the way here. And we say, se bedi, se tao, se nne, se hlano. And I will write it here so that you can see it. Ili, mui, se will apply to all of these. Why did I bring this order and this one here? That is because in some languages, when you say how many of the things you're talking about, this portion comes after the counting number. But in Sesotho, this part comes before. Se, how many? Se pedi, se taro. How many? Se nne. How many? Ili unwi. Now, a question for you. Can I say ili hlano? No. Why? Exactly. Because ili only works with one of something. Can I say